Welcome to Module 6. This module is going to introduce about IFTTT function of WISE module. IFTTT indicates if this, then that. Let's get started. Upon completion of this module, you will be able to handle the following tasks. What is the usage of IFTTT of WISE? Which event trigger tool is used of this function? How to implement IFTTT service of WISE? How to do the troubleshooting? And finally, which port is used in the function of WISE? Is it configurable? First, we will introduce what is IFTTT and what is Webhook. WISE is using Webhook as the event trigger function. What is the difference between RESTful API and webhooks? Then is the SOP of configuration between WISE and IFTTT. And finally is troubleshooting. First, what is IFTTT? It is abbreviation of if this, then that, which is a free platform that helps you to do more with all your apps and devices. Applets you create on IFTTT service can bring your service together to create new experience. These services are the apps and devices you use every day. Each service has useful applets you can turn on, such as Line, Twitter, email, Google Drive, and so on. In the previous page, it shows there are more than 600 services that you can choose. But WISE is using Webhook as event trigger function. What is Webhook? Webhooks are user-defined HTTP callbacks. It is triggered by event. The source side makes an HTTP request to the URL configured for the webhook. Users can configure them to cause events on one side, to invoke behavior on the other. As shown as this topology, WISE event trigger the webhook. But WISE already have RESTful API. What is the difference between webhooks and RESTful API? When should I use which one? RESTful API is a request-response protocol. It provides user to run the command and deliver the results back to the other software solution. If you want to know more about RESTful API, you can check the detail in Module 2 section. Webhooks is said to change this process by sending real-time data, trigger notifications based on the event setting. Whenever the event is triggered, the WISE will automatically send the data through the webhook to the apps you want, such as email, such as Line, and you can receive the data in real time. IFTTT can help to push WISE data to a kind of social media. There are more than 600 apps that you can choose on IFTTT Web Service. In this demonstration, WISE is using webhooks as the event trigger. If webhook, then send to any kind of social media that you want, such as Line, email, SMS. In this demonstration, we are using an email. First, please go to IFTTT website and create an account of your own. Please make sure your firmware is A2 version. Go to Configuration Cloud page. Select IFTTT service and submit. It will reboot automatically. Go to IFTTT webpage. Add a new applet. Click Is. Search webhook. Click Create an event. WISE push data to email. log into your WISE module. The event name should be the same on both sides. So copy and paste the event name on your WISE cloud service. Create trigger and select that. Select an email. This subject will be the one shown on your email title. The event name is the one you just created. Under this event name, you can create any words you want. And the body event name is the one you created. The accurate at, this is the timing you pushed on. Push data. Value 1 is the JSON data WISE pushed on IFTTT. Value 2 and 3 are empty. So based on these parameters, you can create anything that you wanted. After set up all these parameters, click on Create Action button. Click on Finish. Okay, make sure this event is turned on. Click on the webhook. Click on Documentation, and the webhook key was shown on your browser. Copy-paste the key on your WISE Cloud Function service. Click on Submit. Now go to Advanced Data Logger. Make sure you enable all the channels, I/O channels that you want to push onto the cloud service. Enable the push notification. Please note that this cloud service does not support upload function, so we can only push JSON data onto the cloud. Go to your email. You can see email is receiving the data from the WISE module. This subject is the one you created on the IFTTT event. Pushed data, this is value 1. The port number of WISE module is assigned by the main chip, which control all of the Wi-Fi behavior. The port number of webhook, our destination, is port number 443. This port number is not configurable. The connection between WISE and the webhooks is using TCP plus TLS security. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.